Have you ever noticed how your electronics seem to fail right after the warranty expires? Or your clothes go out of style almost instantly? It often feels like products are designed to break. This isn't just bad luck. It's often a deliberate strategy known as planned obsolescence. It's an economic force shaping our world, often without us even realizing it. If you've ever felt the frustration of a gadget dying too soon, stick with us. We'll unravel the hidden mechanisms behind the system and its profound impact on you and the planet. At its core, planned obsolescence is the intentional design of a product to have a limited useful life. The goal is simple: to ensure consumers will eventually need to buy a replacement. This strategy isn't new. Its roots trace back to the early 20th century. Companies realized that selling durable goods meant fewer repeat purchases, hindering continuous growth. One common form is functional obsolescence, where a product's components are designed to wear out or break down after a specific period, making repair difficult or impossible. Think of batteries glued into devices or proprietary screws that prevent easy access. These design choices subtly steer you towards buying new rather than repairing. Another type is systemic obsolescence, often seen in software. Updates to operating systems can slow down older devices or make them incompatible with new applications. Your perfectly functional phone suddenly feels sluggish or can't run the latest apps, creating a strong incentive to upgrade, even if the hardware is still perfectly capable. Then there's perceived obsolescence, driven by marketing and cultural trends. Your item is still perfectly good, but it's suddenly out of style or lacks the latest features. This is most evident in fashion, but also impacts tech, where minor aesthetic changes or small feature additions compel consumers to constantly seek the newest version. From a business perspective, planned obsolescence ensures a steady revenue stream. Companies can't rely on one-time purchases if they want to maximize long-term profits in a competitive market. This constant turnover creates a predictable demand curve, allowing for efficient production cycles and market dominance for manufacturers. The most obvious impact is on your wallet. Constantly replacing items, even small ones, adds up, creating a significant financial burden over time. Beyond the personal cost, planned obsolescence fuels a massive environmental crisis. This relentless cycle of buy, use, dispose generates mountains of electronic waste, or e-waste, globally. E-waste contains toxic chemicals that leach into soil and water, harming ecosystems and human health. It also depletes finite natural resources needed for new products. This practice also stifles genuine innovation. Instead of focusing on truly groundbreaking, durable solutions, companies are incentivized to create incremental changes just enough to drive new sales. However, a growing right-to-repair movement is challenging this model. Consumers are demanding the legal right to fix their own devices, access spare parts, and obtain repair manuals. This global movement is gaining traction, with consumers recognizing the economic and ecological benefits of extending product lifespans. Governments worldwide are beginning to listen, with new legislation emerging to mandate longer warranties, easier access to parts, and more repair-friendly designs. Planned obsolescence is a deeply embedded economic strategy, but understanding it empowers us. It reveals the true cost of our consumption habits, both financially and environmentally. By being more conscious consumers, supporting repairable products, and advocating for change, we can push for a more sustainable and equitable future. What are your thoughts on planned obsolescence? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Business Decoded for more insights into the hidden forces shaping our economy.